Systems appear secure when operations run normally, employees log in without issue, and no major incidents are reported. Routine actions like using an AI assistant, copying text, or sharing a file can create exposure without appearing dangerous, shattering the illusion of safety. The modern attack surface is invisible. It exists at the intersections of interconnected technologies where overlooked weaknesses reside. AI assistants often retrieve external content from websites and repositories. The risk is that these systems may interpret that untrusted data as a valid instruction. This shows indirect prompt injection. An attacker embeds hidden commands inside a normal document. When the AI retrieves it for a summary, those directions hijack the logic. Without the user realizing, the AI follows these hidden instructions to create accounts, expose information, or change settings. Purchasing a larger or more expensive AI model fails to address this vulnerability. Organizations must implement human approval checkpoints and treat all retrieved content as untrusted data. Security assessments typically focus on individual products. However, the greater risk often exists in the handoffs between those products. This risk matrix highlights dangerous intersections, such as pasting text from a browser into an administrative terminal, or allowing autonomous AI agents to communicate across business applications without oversight. Wireless sharing features also create zero-click attack paths. Proximity file transfers can process complex, malicious data on a mobile device before the user even knows a connection was attempted. Process owners must govern the entire interconnected workflow, explicitly mapping and restricting what automated systems and clipboards are permitted to access. AI tools allow attackers to identify weaknesses in legacy software and open-source libraries with unprecedented speed and scale. While an AI-empowered attacker can find and exploit a vulnerability in days, traditional enterprise patch cycles frequently take weeks or months. This creates a massive exposure window. Systems remain vulnerable because of missing asset inventories, untracked dependencies, and unmanaged devices. Machine speed attacks turn delayed software patches into explicit, high-stakes business risk decisions. Governing interconnected and autonomous systems requires a shift in focus beyond traditional malware and credential theft. Business leaders should immediately identify AI tools that can take actions, assign ownership to known vulnerabilities, and audit technology exceptions that lack expiration dates. Instead of asking if a technology is secure, leaders must ask what it can access, what it can do without approval, and how the organization will detect a failure.